are in Nairobi. See it?
Nairobi Parklands.
Oh, in the Parklands. See downtown yet?
Downtown Museum.
Yeah. Nimeona University of Nairobi Towers pale.
Hiyo ni towers.
Yeah.
Hapa na ndevu kila mtu anakuuliza what's
Pigana
up.
jana.
Certainly.
That's the point. Yeah, exactly. That's the airport to your left. That's very true.
Honest mistake.
Yeah, na hii ni honest
Hiyo
mistake.
ni honest mistake. Nitawaambia haikuwa clearly
And it's not. Haiko labeled.
Sasa
Mm.
tutashukia hapa.
Okay, you have to come out of the vehicle over here and
Wait,
walk
hold up. What's
through
up,
over
guys?
here
It's Jacob and Dad, and
for security.
it's Jacob and Dad, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, and if you are subscribed, thank you for your support.
Tell them where we are.
We're in
Kenya.
Nairobi, Kenya. We're going to Mombasa, but you have to get dropped off because you have to do this.
Yeah, we have to go through security over here.
Where?
Oh boy, right there. We just passed it.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
It's fake.
Yeah, it's not a. Yeah,
I
true.
thought you meant real.
No. I won't survive in the city.
It's weird it's a weird way they bend their neck. It goes down and it like it's up and then it goes out, like the part goes down and then up again.
Yeah, we're going to 1D. Oh, a lot of them. You see them? All the beasts?
Bro, wildebeest are like famous in Kenya.
And there are so many.